Right, so we was in the centre of the old side of what I say is Chapel St Leonard's. So we've actually come towards where all the caravan sites are, and it's only like probably 10-minute walk from the centre of Chapel St Leonard's. So yeah, you can see behind me we've got the Smugglers Inn. So yeah, it looks like a good pub, this does. It's really busy. So yeah, there's a lot of people actually sat outside at the moment. So yeah, let's go and have a look a bit further down. I'm not sure, is it Golden Palms is down here as well? So yeah, let's go and have a look. Yeah, so it's really quiet, isn't it, eh, for a bank holiday Monday. I mean, there's probably a lot of people have gone home, gone back to work tomorrow, but there's a lot of people still staying for the week. It looks like they're all queuing to get in down here. There must be something actually going on, so yeah, we'll take a look. Right, so it's a really popular place, this is, where the Golden Palms Resort is. So yeah, we've got like a miniature golf down here. How you doing, pal? Are you doing well?
Yeah.
You had a busy weekend?
Not too bad, to be fair.
Ah, it's going good.
Quieted up a bit now, but kind of...
Yeah, but the weather was a bit iffy, wasn't it? Good Saturday, but good now.
So this morning was a bit hit and miss with the fine misty rain.
So this, I'm a YouTuber, so when do you actually open?
We are open now.
You're open now, so what time in the morning do you open?
10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, till
about 8 o'clock at night.
Oh, brilliant stuff. And how much does it cost to have a go on here?
It's £3 a person on the 9 holes.
Yeah.
And it's £4.50 a person on the 18, and they are separate courses. So.
Oh, that's brilliant. Yeah, so if you're down in Chapel St Leonard's, opposite the Golden Palms, so is it called the Golden Palms?
No, this is Ollie's Adventure Golf.
Ollie's Adventure Golf?
Yes.
Yeah, so you want to get yourself here and have a go on the Adventure Golf. So there you go, they've got the crazy golf there. And also got like these little diggers as well for the kids. So yeah, they look good, don't they? So yeah, this is like a little Golden Palms complex or shopping centre type thing. So this is the first time I've ever walked around here. I've always drove past, but never actually had a chance to get in here. Here you got the donuts there, look, ice creams and everything. You got Chicken Chapel. And you've also got Chinese takeaway as well. Today's supermarket. So yeah, if you're staying at the Golden Palms Resort, there's plenty of places to come and get your stuff. So there's places there as well, sells all bits and bobs as well. You've got all the windbreaks and all the knickknacks as well, and you've also got a fish bar and a pizza. So yeah, it's really good, isn't it? So yeah, like I say, it's the first time I've ever been down here, and when there's all people about and the sun's out as well, and yeah, it looks really nice. So across the way we've got Golden Palms Amusement Arcade Casino Bingo. So yeah, it looks really big in there, it looks really busy as well. So yeah, if you're coming to stay at Golden Palms, Chapel St Leonard's, there's loads to do, but let me just show you this queue. This queue is actually massive to get in here tonight. Sun's in my way a little bit, but yeah, look at them all, they're all queuing up. So we're going to have a chat with a few of them. How you doing, right? Yeah, you all right? Yeah, I did. What's on tonight then?
We're not sure.
Taylor Swift. What, the real Taylor Swift? Yeah? Yeah, so what time does it all start?
6, I think it was.
6 o'clock. I hope you all have a good night anyway. Brilliant stuff. I can't believe the size of the queue. So there you go, they met some subscribers there. So a lovely family they was, weren't they? Yeah, and they're all waiting to go in the Golden Palms Resort to see one of the tribute acts. So yeah, I've heard a lot of rumours it's really good in there, and they put some really good acts on in there, so it must be, because people come from all over the country go Golden Palms in Chapel St Leonard's. So yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to go to Trunch Lane. No, I'm only joking. Trunch Lane. Yeah, Trunch Lane. We're going to go to Trunch Lane and see what's happening down there, see if there's anything actually new down there, and see how many people there is about. So yeah, let's go for a wander down there. Right guys, so we're back on Trunch Lane. So yeah, I was here last year and it was a little bit cold then, but now it's gone really warm. So yeah, it's Bank Holiday Monday on Trunch Lane, so it's about 6:30 now, and everybody's starting to come out for the night and go in all the bars and the pubs, and there's loads of entertainment on as well down there. So a lot of the shops have actually shut now, but there are amusement arcades and stuff's actually open, all the food places as well. So yeah, I said Trunch Lane last year, so yeah, we're on Trunch Lane. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go for a wander down here, and I'm going to show you what it's like at night on a bank holiday Monday. So yeah, let's go for the wander. Yeah, so all the bars are all open. So we've got Archer's pub here, look. So yeah, there's even people sat outside tonight because the weather is that good. So it's about time we've had some decent weather in today on the Lincolnshire coast. It's been a rubbish year, all this water everywhere. I don't know about you guys, but my caravan's soaking right through outside on the grass. But it does look like everybody's going to have a good night out tonight. So a lot of these are not going back to work tomorrow like a few of you are. A damn shame, should have took this week off like I've done. So it doesn't look like there's a lot of changes, but we've got Happy Days pub there, there's loads of stuff going on. I don't know if you can just see that. But yeah, they put some great entertainment on. We've got another one over there as well, with all the live entertainment. So yes, Stuart's over there, and then we've got the amusement. So yeah, Fun Spot amusement. It wasn't as busy as this when I came last, and I say it was in the daytime, it was freezing cold. Now the sun's out and everybody's out and everybody's having fun, and it's the holiday time. So yeah, bank holiday Monday, really good stuff in it. Yeah, so this is massive. Look at the size of this amusement arcade. So yeah, Fun Factory, they're really big in there, and it goes quite a long way back as well. I think they've actually even got bowling in there as well. But you know, I can remember, like I said in my video from last year, there was hardly anything down here years and years ago. And look at it now, it's absolutely crazy, there's people everywhere. So yeah, another amusement arcades and beers. So a lot of people actually come to Chapel, you know, just on the street. They probably don't even go into like Skegness and Inglemells. Probably stay down here all the time. I mean, in the summer it's going to be beautiful when it's when the sun's out and you can get on the beach, because it is also a lovely beach down there as well. It sounds like they're doing a bit of a quiz in there as well in Harry's bar.
The Knight of Diamonds.
Oh, yeah, they are.
For the magician to call out.
I don't know if you can just hear them there in Harry's bar. But yeah, we've got a coffee house there, that's still open. So grab a coffee. I'm out of breath after all them fish and chips today. It was a really good day, it was. But yeah, we've got to M&B's discount too, so they must have another shop somewhere else. But yeah, they look like they've got everything. So there you go then, Trunch Lane, and about 6:30 at night, and all what's happening. So a little bit later on, a few more people should be out, and it should be really busy as well. So there's loads going off in all the bars and that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the drone up, and I'm going to show you how many caravans there is around this area. Also, oh look, Trunch Cafe restaurant as well. So I think that was here last year, but I don't think it was actually open, but there's actually people sat out there eating. So yeah, let's get the drone up and have a look. Right, so we're on Trunch Lane, and let's just put this drone up and just show you how many caravans there is. Situated this side of Chapel St Leonard's. So just take a look at all these caravans, it's crazy, isn't it? Let's just go back a bit. Just take you back towards the sea. I'll show you the sea as well in a minute, but they just go on for miles and miles, don't they, these caravans? So there's hundreds and hundreds. I wish somebody'd actually tell me how many caravans there actually is in Chapel St Leonard's, because there is a lot. So we'll just swing towards Fantasy Island. So yeah, just look at them all the way towards Inglemells, Fantasy Island. So yeah, you can just see in the distance There's Fantasy Island all the way down to Skegness. So yeah, they've actually got the big wheel actually on the beach at the moment as well now, so which is a good thing. So we'll just turn you the other way as well, and I'll show you the North Sea Observatory towards Old Chapel St Leonards. So there's the North Sea Observatory over there, and that's the Old Chapel St Leonards. But just look at a beautiful day it is today, well tonight. The sun's just coming down as well. Check out the sea, it looks absolutely gorgeous tonight, and the wind turbines there right out at sea. Yeah, so beautiful. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the drone down a little bit and we'll have a travel down to Trunch Lane. Not Trunk, Trunch Lane. Yeah, so let's go for that wander down Trunch Lane. See what's actually happening. So you might see your own caravan on the video if you're watching. So yeah, if you can see yourselves or on your caravan on there, just put it in the comments below, just tell me. So yeah, this is all Trunch Road down here. And what I'll do as well in a minute, I'll come back the other way because it's actually a bit sunny going towards the sun, and you can just see everything. But yeah, this is Trunch Road where it's all happening, where I've just showed you what was actually going off. So yeah, can you see your caravan anywhere, guys? So write it in the comments below if you can actually see your caravan, or are you on my videos today? But I think that's Strawberry Fields. There used to be Strawberry Fields car boot somewhere along there as well, but it's no longer happens anymore, and it's really strange why that's not happening anymore. So yeah, they just go on and on and on and on for miles, don't they, these caravans do?
Max altitude reached.
So I'll just bring it down a bit. Spin you around, so hopefully the sun will be behind us now. But yeah, just look at how many caravans are there. So yeah, Golden Palms Resort just underneath as well, look. And then we'll just swing round, showing you all the vans and showing you Trunch Lane. So yeah, you got a better view of that now. So let's just put you hold there. Let's have a look, see if we can actually see Fantasy Island in the distance. But yeah, really good night tonight for putting the drone up. You can see everywhere today, or rather this afternoon tonight. But yeah, let's see what's happening down here. So yeah, we're all having fun tonight, aren't they? Eh? So they're all in the pubs, in the amusement arcades as well. So let's bring them down a little bit lower as well, so we can see a bit more. We'll work our way back down this road. So yeah, this is the bird's eye view that not a lot of people actually see. So all the pubs and all the caravans, all the bars. So let's just bring you back again. Let's try and see if we can see anybody sat outside the bars. We're all having fun. Some of the shops are actually just closing now as well. But yeah, Trunch Lane, bank holiday Monday. Not Trunk Lane, Trunch Lane, bank holiday Monday. I didn't realise there was actually a swimming. Is that a swimming pool down there? I'm not sure. It looks like a swimming pool there. I'm not sure if that's actually open, but yeah. So there you go, guys. Hope you all enjoyed that little bit of a video. Something a little bit different, a bird's eye view of Chapel St Leonards. The East End, apparently, I've been told. It's the East End of Chapel St Leonards. So yeah, let's just bring the drone back towards the sea. So yeah, sea's not too far away from all the caravans. So yeah, you got to see there and the lovely beach. Right, so there you go everybody. So I hope you've enjoyed that little wander around Chapel St Leonard's, plus having the fish and chips in the marine fish bar. They was absolutely beautiful. So yeah, definitely worth a visit. I'm going to give them 10 out of 10 for that, because you know, I couldn't believe it. I know they've been on the internet saying they're in the top 10, but yeah, I keep bleating on about it, but it was really good. Then we went down to Trunch Lane and showing you all Trunch Lane and up in the air as well, and showing you how many caravans there actually is about at the moment. And we've seen some subscribers as well waiting to go in the Golden Palms. So yeah, I've really enjoyed my little wander around this afternoon around Chapel St Leonard's, and yeah, it's well worth a visit. And the sun's just starting to go down, and it's been quite warm this afternoon, believe it or not. It's been chucking it down most of the weekend, but we had a good day Saturday, but today it was a bit dull this morning, but now it's spot on, and everybody's coming out having drinks in the beer gardens and that, and all the entertainment's happening as well. But yeah, so we finished off here on the beach, and like I said before, the beach is lovely down at Chapel St Leonard's, and it is a good place to visit. So yeah, if you come to Chapel St Leonard's a lot and you've got a static here, or you come every weekend, or you come on your holidays once a year, just write it in the comments below. Just let me know, and I'll try and do a few shout outs as well, so one day. So yeah, you keep sending me the messages and I'll do some shout outs one day, and I might even put them on the end of the videos, all the names as well, thanking everybody for subscribing. So yeah, it's been absolutely amazing, all the subscribers just lately. So yeah, I was only at 5,000 a couple of weeks ago. I'm nearly at 6 again now, and I've had over 1 million views, and if it wasn't for you guys, I would never be there. And so it's all down to you guys watching me and making me do more and more. So if you haven't done already and you are watching this, and if you would like to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. So you hit the notification bell, it brings up all my new videos, and if you give me that thumbs up as well, that really does help me. So thank you for tuning in, and it's been a lovely day, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Yeah, and we'll see you all soon. See you later.